What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on a 2018-2019 Toyota Camry. It's actually a fellow subscriber that won our 100 subscriber giveaway, and his choice of work done to his car, he wanted a wood trunk setup for his Camry. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna show you how to do that, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. Alright, to start off, one of my other videos I showed you guys how to do this. So basically you off of cardboard, and then you make a template. I believe one of my other videos I showed you guys how to do it step by step. So now we did this, we got the template done on the actual backboard that we're actually going to start cutting. Make sure you have protection for your eyes and your hands, and then let's get to cutting. All right, so once it's done, you should have, in this case, the whole trunk in one piece won't fit on those trunks. So what you do is cut out the wings, make it a straight angle from this edge down to the bottom, and make the wings separate from the actual thing. It'll be a three-piece trunk basically. This is gonna be for template purposes, as in we're gonna be using hardwood. So basically the hardwood is gonna sit on top. But basically for leather, you've seen in my other videos, I usually wrap them separately, all three pieces. For this purpose, again, it's gonna be a template. But so I always measure 3-4 times and cut once. Sometimes I have bad measurements, so you cut where you think it might be, and then, you know, like in this case, I think it might be here, but I want to make sure, so I cut a little bit wider so it'll be more straighter. See right here, the same thing. I'm gonna cut here first, and then if not, go down 0.25 of an inch, a quarter of an inch, down into this if it doesn't fit. Just like right here, see, negative. Right here to confirm that those corners fit. If not, we cut it to those. Same thing over there. But again, you just do the measurements, cut it out, and then now we do a test fit. We can't test fit my trunk right now because of my current trunk setup. I could probably test fit these, but we'll have to test fit another customer's Camry, since this is going to be shipped out to, I believe, Texas. So I'll follow you through. So you just test fit, make sure it lines up. So lines up perfect here, it lines up perfect with this bar here. You always have to leave a little gap, like right here. You can lift up on this side. It is going to be a panel wood trunk setup, so it overlaps each other, interlocks, but the lines look very, very good. Looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. Anticipate some adjustments right here in this corner, but we'll test fit right now to double check. Yeah, I need some adjustment there. I think there and down here. Let me try it again. Got stuck in a little situation, and see how this doesn't fit properly there. It's a bigger gap down like here. It's okay here, but look at that big gap there. So somehow, some way, the calculations was wrong. So we redid it. This one fits 10 times better. There you go. It's way better. I'm gonna need to trim a little bit right here, but that should be perfect. So now we have to wait to get the other car to do the center template test fit, and then we should start cutting the wood. All right, here's the test fit for the wood floor. This is gonna be the template. So now we're gonna cut the wood and place it on top. That'll be the trunk wood floor for the Camry. Alright guys, here it is, the wood floor for the Toyota Camry. It's a little dirty, but everything is snug. Alright guys, that's this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below for future projects just like this one. Follow our Instagram and Facebook for updates on our merch dropping soon. If you guys have any questions, let us know. We'll try our best to help you. And thank you. Thank you for watching and subscribing to us.